Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a cute little back to school hairstyle. I'm going to start off by parting my hair on the side over here and just detangle it. I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Grow Smoothie, which I've used before, and I'm going to be using the Ecostyler Argan Oil for my edges. So I'm just going to be doing a cute little side braid over here, and then I'm going to section my hair off to start doing twists in my hair. So the rest of my hair is going to be 2-strand twist. Now right here I tried to do something different. I tried to start off with like a braid at the root and then a 3-strand twist, but that was taking forever. So for the rest of my hair I just did 2-strand twist all over. So you're just going to detangle your hair, part it. If you want small twist or medium-sized twist, I did medium size. And then you're just going to apply that smoothie to your curls, detangle it, and then go ahead and twist. And it's that simple, you guys. This is a pretty easy back to school hairstyle, and I really love the results, how it came out, because I had so much volume, and I'm thinking I'm gonna start doing twist outs more often because I love the volume and definition that I had. It might just be this product, but you guys let me know if you try it out. Alright, so I'm all finished, so I'm going to let this dry overnight and I'm going to come back to you guys tomorrow. So it's the next day and I slept on my hair with a satin cap, and I just want to say something that my edges stayed laid all day yesterday after I filmed, and they did not move an inch. And I'm thinking I'm just going to do like a separate video to show you guys a new technique that I just tried yesterday, because they literally have not moved at all, and that is shocking. To unravel my twist, I'm just going to go ahead and take this hair growth serum, which has olive oil, tea tree oil, castor oil, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, a bunch of different oils in it, and I'm just going to apply that to the palm or to the tip, and then just rub it and apply that all over my hair. And then I'm just going to start taking them out carefully. So the way that I take out or unravel my twist, I like to hold down one part of the twist and then just take the other side and just unravel it like that. It works for me. You guys are going to see me doing that. So now I'm going to take a little bit more of that oil and just start separating the curls even more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button down below if you guys like this video. And don't forget to leave some comments in the section down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.